I need a shelf for out at the cabin. This is going to be the basic design. We're going to have stuff like this going on with it. We got to get started by cutting us some material now. I got all the pieces cut for my S's I want to make, and the center's all marked. I'll show you why that center is important later. Now we're going to take this fancy guy here that I made a long time ago and start making our S's. Just going to put him in the old vise here, clamp her down tight, start bending our material. There we have it. That's our S. Now let's do the rest of these. Usually I would leave my S's like this, but I want them a little bit more fancier. I'm going to put a twist in the middle. That's why we marked all the centers of them. Give it a little bit of a clean. Knock that scale off. There we go. Looking good. Gonna want to frame these all in. See how long we want. I really like the idea of hidden welds. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark each location where the S is going to touch the flat bar. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to drill a hole right in the center of this flat bar all the way along. And then we'll plug weld the holes and that'll keep all these together. Well, we're going to look at tacking our flat bar onto our S's now. Hit it welds. I like it. All we got to do is grind these plug welds smooth. Afterwards, you will never see, won't be able to see where we welded it. There we go. Frame welded together, all cleaned up. And we like these hidden welds. You don't see any welds in here. No welds. They're all on top and ground off, and you'll never even see that once the paint goes on. Now we got to make some supports. Now I did forget to drill holes for my supports, but hey, that's okay. Oh, they're all welded up. I'll throw a little bit of paint on here. It's mint. All we gotta do is work on the wood. Found this piece of plywood we're going to use for the top. Feel free to like and subscribe out of this video. There we have it, folks. A fancy shelf for a fancy cabin.